The 2026 Mercedes 8x8 CamperVan is not just a motorhome, it is an uncompromising statement of engineering dominance, luxury, and adventure-ready performance. At first glance, the sheer scale of this vehicle separates it from anything else on the road. Built on a massive reinforced 8x8 chassis, the CamperVan looks more like an expedition-grade military truck than a recreational vehicle, but Mercedes has transformed it into a mobile palace that delivers both brute strength and ultra-modern comfort. Standing tall with its aggressive stance, the CamperVan has a road presence that demands attention, dwarfing standard RVs and even putting six-wheel off-roaders to shame. Every curve, every line, and every design choice reflects a commitment to both aesthetics and raw performance. The exterior design takes Mercedes' futuristic design language and amplifies it to suit this colossal 8x8 platform. The front fascia features a huge illuminated three-pointed star emblem, flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlamps that integrate seamlessly into a sculpted grille with active air shutters. Beneath, a steel-reinforced bumper integrates tow hooks, a 20,000-pound winch, and skid plates, making it clear this machine is built for extreme conditions. The body is armored with aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon composite panels, offering durability without excessive weight. The muscular wheel arches house gigantic 46-inch all-terrain tires, each mounted on beadlock alloy rims, and paired with adaptive hydraulic suspension that automatically adjusts ride height depending on terrain. With 22 inches of ground clearance and a water-fording depth exceeding 1.5 meters, the CamperVan can traverse rivers, rocky deserts, snowfields, and mountain trails with ease. Moving along the sides, you see a balance of elegance and ruggedness. Flush-mounted retractable steps extend automatically when doors open, while panoramic dual-layer windows stretch across the cabin for natural light. The vehicle features integrated solar panel arrays on the roof, delivering renewable energy to power essential systems when off-grid. Roof rails, drone launch pads, and satellite antennas indicate that this CamperVan was designed for both exploration and modern digital living. At the rear, the CamperVan features a hydraulic liftgate that opens to reveal modular storage for bikes, kayaks, and even a compact all-electric ATV included as part of the adventure package. Dual spare tires mounted vertically enhance the rugged aesthetic while providing redundancy for long journeys. LED tail lights wrap around the rear with a continuous light bar design, emphasizing width and modernity. Under the hood, the engineering story becomes even more impressive. The 2026 Mercedes 8x8 CamperVan is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a 6.2-liter twin-turbo V8 diesel with an advanced electric drive system. Combined output exceeds 1,000 horsepower and 2,000 nanometers of torque, channeled through an 8-wheel independent drive system that ensures maximum traction on any terrain. The hybrid system allows for short-range silent electric driving when needed, particularly useful in nature reserves or stealthy exploration, while the diesel engine provides long-haul endurance. A 250 kWh solid-state battery pack ensures extended range and can be recharged via solar, regenerative braking, or high-output charging stations. The CamperVan also features a hydrogen auxiliary cell system, allowing energy diversification in remote regions where diesel or charging stations may not be available. The 8-speed multi-mode transmission integrates seamlessly with terrain management software that offers sand, snow, rock crawl, and urban efficiency driving profiles. Mercedes' proprietary off-road AI Assist uses sensors, drones, and GPS data to predict terrain ahead and adjust suspension, torque distribution, and braking to maintain control under extreme conditions. Step inside, and the transformation from an intimidating off-road machine to a luxury living environment becomes instantly clear. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with Mercedes' signature use of high-quality materials like Nappa leather, polished wood veneers, carbon fiber accents, and ambient LED lighting. The driver's cockpit feels like a futuristic spaceship with a full-width OLED digital display spanning from pillar to pillar, offering real-time navigation, vehicle telemetry, terrain scanning visuals, and entertainment. Augmented reality windshield projection overlays directions and hazard warnings directly onto the driver's view. Both the driver and passenger seats are fully adaptive captain's chairs with heating, cooling, massage functions, and 20-way adjustments. A biometric entry system ensures only registered users can start or enter the vehicle. The living space is designed to rival luxury apartments. The CamperVan expands using Mercedes' proprietary deployable side pods, which extend outward to create an additional 300 square feet of interior space when parked. The living area includes a modular lounge with Italian leather sofas that convert into reclining beds, a 70-inch 8K OLED smart TV with integrated satellite connectivity, and a Harman Kardon 3D immersive surround sound system. The lighting system is fully customizable with millions of color options, creating atmospheres ranging from vibrant daylight simulation to calming night moods. The kitchen is equally impressive, featuring smart appliances that maximize efficiency without compromising luxury. A full-size refrigerator with AI food inventory management, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and even a compact dishwasher are seamlessly built into the cabinetry. Countertops are made from durable quartz composites, and the faucet integrates filtration systems to purify water from virtually any natural source. The kitchen also integrates a retractable breakfast bar and stools, providing a space for dining or working. Moving further inside, the sleeping quarters are designed with privacy and comfort in mind. The master suite features a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, automatic climate zoning, and a ceiling-mounted OLED panel that simulates skylights with selectable starfield or sunrise scenes. Panoramic windows include smart tinting glass that adjusts opacity automatically depending on sunlight. Storage is ample, with walk-in style wardrobes and compartments designed for extended travel. For guests, a secondary bedroom includes two bunk-style beds with privacy partitions, USB-C ports, reading lights, and entertainment screens. The washroom facilities rival those of luxury hotels. A rainfall shower with customizable temperature and pressure settings, heated flooring, and self-cleaning antimicrobial surfaces redefine what is possible inside a vehicle. The bathroom includes a smart toilet with bidet functions, touchless flushing, and an odor-neutralizing ventilation system. Gray water recycling ensures water efficiency, making extended off-grid living practical. Mercedes has also included a dedicated workspace module for those who need to remain productive while on the move. A fold-out desk with ergonomic seating, high-speed satellite internet, wireless charging pads, and privacy screens ensures that professionals can manage businesses or creative work from anywhere on Earth. The CamperVan also comes equipped with security systems that include 360-degree thermal cameras, LiDAR perimeter scanning, and an automated drone that patrols the surroundings when parked in remote areas. Access to the vehicle is protected by fingerprint, facial recognition, and encrypted digital keys. One of the most unique features is the wellness module. This includes a compact gym setup with resistance bands, a foldable treadmill, and VR-based fitness programs. Additionally, the CamperVan has an air purification system that uses hospital-grade HEPA filters and ionization to ensure interior air remains clean regardless of external pollution or dust. A built-in aromatherapy diffuser and circadian rhythm lighting system further enhance passenger well-being during long journeys. Performance on the road or off-road is nothing short of breathtaking. The 8-wheel independent drive provides unmatched grip and stability. On highways, the CamperVan feels surprisingly refined thanks to adaptive dampers that smooth out imperfections, while active noise cancellation keeps the cabin serene. Off-road, the vehicle can climb gradients of up to 65 degrees, crawl over boulders with precision, and maintain stability on shifting sands. The steering system allows crab walking, where all wheels angle to move the vehicle sideways for difficult maneuvers in tight spots. Despite its size, the CamperVan features advanced driver assistance including autonomous highway cruising, lane keeping, automated parking, and convoy mode where multiple 8x8 CamperVans can travel in sync. Fuel economy is always a concern with vehicles of this scale, but the hybrid hydrogen system provides a surprisingly efficient solution. The CamperVan can achieve up to 900 miles of combined range before refueling or recharging, making it capable of crossing continents without frequent stops. The solar roof alone can generate enough power to run essential systems indefinitely, extending independence in remote expeditions. Price-wise, the 2026 Mercedes 8x8 CamperVan sits firmly at the top of the market. With base models starting at around 1.2 million and fully customized versions easily surpassing 2 million, this is not a vehicle for the average traveler. It is aimed at ultra-wealthy adventurers, explorers, or digital nomads who demand the absolute best in performance, technology, and comfort. Yet the value proposition is undeniable, as this CamperVan replaces the need for both a luxury home and multiple off-road vehicles, combining them into one unstoppable package. In essence, the 2026 Mercedes 8x8 CamperVan represents the future of mobile living. It is a fusion of super yacht luxury, private jet technology, and military-grade capability, all wrapped into a single machine that can go anywhere and do anything. Mercedes has pushed boundaries in design, powertrain, and innovation, redefining what it means to own a motorhome. For those fortunate enough to acquire one, it promises a lifestyle of ultimate freedom, adventure without compromise, and comfort in places where most vehicles dare not go. This is not just a CamperVan, it is a mobile fortress of luxury, power, and imagination, designed for a new era where exploration and sophistication go hand in hand.